need a 50. 50, 50, 50, 50. Ay. Okay. Not bad. This one. Go for 50s. Oh. What was that? 15 plus 10, 25. Now. Unless you trigger. Oh, don't touch it. You just stop itself. $5. Come on, brother. Points, 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 points. Okay. 3 games, 1, 5. But they give you another buffalo. Once if they give you a 50, that'll be nice. Ay. Wait. Saban. Come on, 50. 50, 50, 50. Ay. Piri, 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 piri. There you go. All the buffalo coming down. Another coins. Coins, coins. Coins. Oh. Yeah.
Thank you for joining us at the mid-game.
Yeah, that's a coins. Buffalo. Go away, say buffalo, buffalo, buffalo,
Buffalo.
buffalo. Ay, there you go. Buffalo. $15.
Freeze free play.
150.
And the Players Club desk.
Coins. Buffalo, buffalo, buffalo. Yes! Times 3. Yeah, buffalo. $30 times 4. 30 times 4. Huh? Okay, that's what you win. Damn. Because they have the times. Yeah. Another one more goal. Ay, buffalo. How many spin more? Ay, ay, ay. 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 4 more. Okay. That's it. Steve is gonna get the whole buffalo. Buffalo again. Buffalo. Buffalo. 20 times 2, 40. Don't run away. Yee-haw! Guys, he lost $2,000 and he got it back 320 some 130 back. Okay. Coins, 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 coins. Oh my goodness. Buffalo. Small buffalo. $15. Yeah. 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 Goodness, the buffalo gun times 2. Oh, 4. Oh my God, there's no buffalo. No, because it should be starting right here, then here, then over there. Guys, look at his $2,000. It come back 380, 90, 400. Buffalo. Buffalo. Oh man. Get it, get it. Coins. 2,000 last night, or 3,000, almost 3,000, but I put it back and I feel sorry myself. And Steve, in his 2,000, he's got money back 494.